What if we told you that Elon Musk has a secret plan that almost everyone has missed? This plan could change our future in ways we've never imagined. In today's video, we're diving deep into a brilliant strategy by Elon Musk that has flown under the radar. While everyone is talking about Tesla cars and SpaceX rockets, there's another part of his plan that's quietly unfolding. It's all about a vision that combines technology, sustainability, and a bit of sci-fi magic. We'll explore how this plan could revolutionize transportation, energy, and even our daily lives. So sit tight and get ready to uncover the genius of Elon Musk's hidden agenda. Welcome back, everyone. We all know that Elon Musk as the mind behind Tesla, SpaceX, and even the idea of colonizing Mars. But there's something else he's been working on that hasn't received the same level of attention. Have you ever heard of the Hyperloop? Or the ambitious solar projects that go beyond just powering homes? Today, we're going to unravel these lesser-known projects and see how they fit into Musk's grand vision. The Hyperloop is Elon Musk's revolutionary transportation concept proposed in 2013. This system envisions high-speed travel in pressurized pods that move through vacuum tubes. Unlike traditional trains or planes, the Hyperloop aims to achieve speeds exceeding 700 miles per hour. The idea is to drastically cut travel time between major cities. For example, a trip from Los Angeles to San Francisco could take only 30 minutes compared to several hours by car or plane. The technology behind the Hyperloop involves magnetic levitation and reduced air resistance, making it energy efficient and faster than current modes of transport. This could transform how we commute, making long-distance travel more convenient and environmentally friendly. The reduced travel time could also have significant economic and social impacts, bringing distant cities closer and enabling more flexible work and lifestyle choices. Despite the excitement, there are challenges, including high infrastructure costs and regulatory hurdles. However, several companies inspired by Musk's open-source design are working on making the Hyperloop a reality. If successful, it could redefine transportation, decrease traffic congestion, and reduce the carbon footprint of long-distance travel. Elon Musk's solar energy initiatives, particularly through SolarCity and Tesla, aim to revolutionize how we generate and use electricity. SolarCity, which Musk helped start, focuses on making solar power more accessible and affordable. The standout innovation here is the Tesla Solar Roof, which integrates solar panels into roof tiles that look like conventional roofing materials. These solar roofs are designed to capture sunlight and convert it into electricity, powering homes and reducing reliance on traditional energy sources. Paired with the Tesla Powerwall, a home battery storage system, these roofs can store excess energy generated during the day for use at night or during power outages. This system not only promotes sustainability, but also offers significant cost savings on electricity bills. Imagine a neighborhood where every house has a solar roof and a power wall. This would create a decentralized energy grid, reducing the strain on traditional power plants and cutting down on fossil fuel consumption. Musk's vision extends to making entire cities self-sufficient in energy, contributing to cleaner air and a healthier environment. By integrating solar energy into everyday life, Musk aims to accelerate the transition to renewable energy and combat climate change on a global scale. Tesla's mission to accelerate the world's transition to sustainable energy, and this goes far beyond making electric cars. While Tesla's electric vehicles like the Model S, Model 3, Model X, and Model Y are at the forefront, the company's broader goal encompasses energy storage and solar power solutions. Tesla's EVs are designed to reduce greenhouse gas emissions by replacing gasoline-powered cars with zero-emission electric vehicles. But Tesla's impact isn't limited to vehicles. The company's energy products like Tesla Powerwall and Powerpack allow homes and businesses to store energy generated from renewable sources, providing a reliable backup during outages and reducing dependence on fossil fuels. Tesla's solar products, including the solar roof, integrate seamlessly with their energy storage systems, creating a sustainable energy ecosystem. This holistic approach addresses the entire energy supply chain, from generation to consumption. By making sustainable energy products desirable and accessible, Tesla is setting a new standard for the industry. The company's efforts aim to inspire broader adoption of clean energy technologies, reduce the carbon footprint, and pave the way for a more sustainable future. Tesla's mission embodies a commitment to innovation and sustainability, striving to create a world where renewable energy is the norm. SpaceX, founded by Elon Musk in 2002, has become synonymous with space innovation. While its ambitious goal of enabling human life on Mars garners much attention, another transformative project is Starlink, a satellite internet constellation. The Starlink initiative aims to provide high-speed internet access globally, especially in remote and underserved areas. Starlink involves deploying thousands of small satellites into low Earth orbit. These satellites create a network that delivers internet coverage to virtually every part of the world. The service is designed to offer speeds comparable to traditional broadband with a significant reduction in latency. This is particularly beneficial for areas where laying fiber optic cables is impractical or just too expensive. The implications of Starlink are profound. By bridging the digital divide, it can bring educational and economic opportunities to isolated communities. Remote schools can access the same resources as urban ones, and telemedicine can reach patients in distant locations. For businesses, it means expanding operations and markets without being hindered by connectivity issues. However, Starlink is not without challenges. Concerns include the risk of space debris and the impact on astronomical observations. SpaceX is addressing these issues by developing satellite designs that minimize these effects. In summary, SpaceX's Starlink project could revolutionize global internet access, promoting equality and enhancing quality of life worldwide. By leveraging advanced space technology, Starlink exemplifies Elon Musk's vision of harnessing innovation to solve pressing global problems. The Boring Company, another brainchild of Elon Musk, aims to tackle urban transportation issues by creating an extensive network of underground tunnels. These tunnels are designed for electric vehicles, providing a fast and efficient alternative to traditional surface roads, which are often congested and slow. The idea behind the Boring Company emerged from Musk's frustration with traffic jams. His solution involves digging tunnels where autonomous electric vehicles, including Tesla cars, can travel at high speeds, bypassing surface-level congestion. These tunnels are designed to accommodate high-speed skates, carrying cars or passenger pods, significantly reducing travel time across cities. One of the key projects is the Vegas Loop, an underground transportation system in Las Vegas that links various parts of the city, including the airport and major hotels. This system showcases the potential of Musk's vision by offering a quick, efficient, and eco-friendly transportation option. The benefits of the Boring Company's tunnels are manifold. They can reduce surface traffic, lower emissions, and make urban transport faster and even more reliable. Moreover, by moving traffic underground, cities can reclaim surface space for pedestrians, parks, and other community uses, enhancing urban living quality. No need to like, subscribe, or share to this video. Just take these ideas and think about how we can each contribute to a more sustainable and innovative world.